Take a look what I found on Aliexpress for around $3 and this is looking pretty amazing. Take a look. It's pretty colorful. But can you guess what is it? What it says in the title? 15 watts, mobile or smartphone cooler magnetic semiconductor cooling radiator with AI function. It says that you can use it for iPhone, for Samsung, for Xiaomi, for whatever you want. And this thing cost $3 from AliExpress and the link will be in description below so you can check it. And I found it interesting and that's why I ordered it. And of course, I got it. Oh, finally bubbles! Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. I love bubbles. Oh. I love popping bubbles. Oh, enough. Alright. Cooler. Alright. Yes, we have the popular Type-C cable. What is this? Some kind of holder maybe? Oh, the instruction manual. I need to read it. K31 it says. Oh, we have one more holder. Are these the same? Yes. Oh, what is this? It's magnetic, so you can easily place it on your smartphone. Oh, and also it's a sticker. So if your smartphone doesn't have magnetic ring, this should do the job. Let's take a look at the gadget now. Oh, and I can feel it. It's pretty nice plastic. You know, I hate stickers. But this can be pulled very easily. Oh yes! Thanks God. Oh, beautiful. You can watch it in 360 degrees on my solar turntable while I'm reading the description what it says. The size is 6.1 by 6.1 centimeters. Core design. AI intelligent temperature control. Professional temperature manager. High power can really freeze. You need to use an external power adapter that gives 5 volts and at least 3 amperes. Remember that? Matching magnetic sheet. Alright. What it says here, innovative LED display and smart temperature control. Powerful 15 watts semiconductor cooling technology. Secure snap-on design, ergonomic. Ultra low noise operation. Wide compatibility and use for different smartphones. It have a LED display. Alright. For better contrast I use the yellow background so you can see all the details. At front we have the small LED display. By the way, this is cool design. We have one button, probably for selecting some options. And on the other side we have the Type-C connector. I can see the fan inside and the heatsink, and probably this will be the cold surface. For what are these? How to attach it? Oh, I figure out. Oh no, it's opposite. Okay. These are just like holders, so you can attach it easily on your smartphone like this. Take a look. And if you don't have a magnetic ring, never mind, this will do the right job. Beautiful. Alright. My case for my smartphone have the magnetic ring that goes like this, but I'm not sure will this cooler be efficient with the case. I think better will be to go just like this, but I'm gonna use the holders, not the self-adhesive ring, but you can use it if you want it. I'm gonna leave it on the side. Now I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, powering in 3, 2, 1. Wow! Those RGB LEDs. I love RGB LEDs. I don't know, can you see it, but right here we have one more sticker that I need to pull out. Oh, much better. And what does it say on the display? -8, -9. Whoa! It's cooled! Whoa! You can see the moisture right away. Wow! So now we are at second speed, and with pressing the button, yes, I can hear the fan that is lower. This is the first speed, and with the next button we have that AI icon, AI controlling temperature, and with the next button we power it off. -4. You can't believe it that from this side is pretty cold, and I'm pretty sure that inside there is a thermoelectric module, that one side it's cold but the other side is hot and need to be cooled with the fan. What it says? -11. I don't know. Oh, when I hold with my hand, the temperature rise, -4, -3. But here I have my laser thermometer, and I'm gonna measure it. 0 degrees. Five. What it says here? -10. Maybe it's inside the thermoelectric Peltier module there. Maybe there is -11. Take a look. -4. I can't believe it that this thing is super. Oh, I can feel it. Wow. And okay, I need to try it to my phone. Okay, and it goes just like this. Beautiful. This is perfect for those who are gaming all day and the smartphone getting pretty hot, and you can use this thing. Maybe if you use your smartphone maybe for mining, crypto or other difficult works, and your phone getting too hot, this is the perfect solution to cool down your smartphone. For cheap, it's around 3, 4, maybe $5 depend in which country you will order it. And what it says now? 1 degree, because it's cooling my phone. It's not anymore -1, 2, 5 or 10. Now right now is 0 degrees. Beautiful, love it. With those RGB LEDs and that fan looking pretty awesome, futuristic. Alright. Now I'm gonna show to you how much current is pulling this thing. just to remove these holders. It's very easy to attach and deattach. It goes through the hole, the Type-C cable. Come on. And this is my newest USB doctor, Type-C USB tester that can measure voltage from 4 to 30 volts and from 0 to 12 amperes. And take a look. Also, beside that, it shows the voltage, the ampere, the watts. Also, it has the current and the voltage bar graph. It's like a tiny oscilloscope. It's with maximum voltage, maximum amperes, maximum watts, and the temperature sensor inside this thing. Okay, let's power on. Ooh! In the title says 15 watts, but on my USB doctor I'm reading 12.2 watts. 2.5 amperes. This thing is pulling 2.5 amperes, and that's why this is super cold. Alright, let's see the bar graph. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go, this is second speed, and I'm gonna go to the first speed, and to the first speed 2.4 amperes. AI control little bit less. Oh, the current is dropping 1.7, 1.6, 7 watts, and it's dropping. Maybe this AI control is for saving some energy. Maybe this you will use using your power bank and you don't want to drain it very fast. And take a look, it dropped to 600 milliamperes, 3.3 watts. Oh, it speeds up. Now it's pulling 1.2 amperes, and it's really controlling the temperature. Take a look. Wow, I'm very amazed by this gadget. The link will be in the description below so you can check it. I can't see that this thing can be opened easily, but maybe I will open it and see that thermoelectric Peltier module. What do you think? Please comment below. Would you like to open this thing and see how it's working? And these magnifying glasses are doing a great job. For a couple of dollars you can use this magnifying glass, and I have together with the glasses you will receive a bunch of different lenses. I have a full video review about this, and they are doing a great job. I can't see any screws. Maybe I need to remove this sticker, and under that maybe I will find the screws, but I don't want to damage this thing. It's pretty cool. Alright, that was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya! Oh, it looks, I don't know. Oh. And immediately I can feel the cold. Wow.